In his address, Dr. Godfrey Kamese, head of the organizing committee for the upcoming visit of renowned global thought leader, condemned the rising violence and called for peaceful political engagement.
Ugandans is Jesus is the Prince of Peace. Peace is key. Jesus is one of the most notable leaders that has ever lived. You know, his prominence continues 2,000 years later. Being a Prince of Peace is key. We need Uganda. We cannot destroy Uganda. We cannot destroy ourselves. You know, it's not a do or die. If you lose elections now, you can win elections tomorrow.
As political temperatures rise, Dr. Kamese reminds Ugandans that peace, unity, and wise leadership choices are the only path to sustainable development.
When we look like Churchill, do you know how many times Churchill failed to become Prime Minister of the UK? When we look at Abraham Lincoln, do you know how many times he came campaigning and failed and failed and failed and failed until one day when he made it?
Dr. Ashimolowo's visit comes at a pivotal time. A call to rise above division and be united in purpose. Dr. Mathew Ashimolowo, a senior pastor at Kingsway International Christian Center in London, is set to visit Uganda for the very first time from the 9th to 10th of July and will be hosted at Rugogo Hockey Grounds.
We are being blessed by a gentleman who is a powerful man of God, a choice servant of God, by the names of Dr. Mathew Ashimolowo. Dr. Mathew Ashimolowo has been in the ministry close to 50 years. Dr. Mathew Ashimolowo is extremely influential. He's one of the most influential black people in our world today.
His visit will include engagements with religious leaders, the business community, and youth under the theme Inspiring Transformation in the Marketplace.
The word integrity cuts across. It cuts across. When you look at the mannerisms of our business here in our country, you obviously know, if you're Ugandan, how people are operating in business. So, one, we need to encourage them, but more so to that, we need to be sure that integrity runs through the marketplace.
As the nation prepares for a critical electoral season, the message is clear: Uganda must stand one. Julius Muhomuza, Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.